Welcome back. Jason here at Heart and Soul. We got another car for you today. This is an E46 Vert M Sport automatic M54 330 2002, and it's going to be grau grün over sand beige. And this is a one owner car. I know the original owner. I'm going to see if we can help him get it back on the road. This is an 80,000 mile car. This car was special. It's a very nice example. I believe it has a lot of potential. It was spec'd the right way. I like the color. We're gonna see if we can rehab this car. It's been sitting for a little while, but the inside is dry. There's no water ingress from the top. I mean, it's got the super comfortable M Sport seats, the buckets. It's got the wheel. It's just wonderful. It's a nice car. So we're gonna see, first of all, we're going to wash it. It's been sitting for some time, but we're gonna give it a good wash. It's got all the original stuff here. Really cool car. So I think first we're going to start with a quick hand wash. So let's get it washed up. And I know it had some kind of a rodent's nest under the intake manifold. So I'm not sure if there's anybody still living in there. I went around the car and did my magic dance 3 times around just to scare off the critters before I go and lock it up inside overnight. So we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna air dry it with the hose, blow out all the crevices with compressed air. There was bees in the trunk, so it took me a couple days just to get the bee issue rectified, but the bees are gone now. Hopefully there's no chipmunks or anybody else taking residence in the engine bay. The car right now is overcharging, so it's getting 17 volts at the thrown back at the battery, so it's just way too high. So I think we've got a bad alternator regulator or rectifier bridge, whatever. Instead of rebuilding that, I'm just going to go ahead and throw a brand new one in for the customer. So we don't know really the extent of this car yet. They originally had parked the car because it had an intermittent transmission failsafe issue that would come and go, so they basically lost trust in the car. You can't blame them. They had plenty of other cars to drive, so this old girl sat, but I think there's a lot of potential here. We're gonna wash it, make sure there's no critters in it, and then we're gonna pull it inside overnight. We're gonna put it up on a lift, and we're gonna see what it looks like underneath. It was parked over grass, and so the thing with that is it's just gonna breathe moisture up into all the hardware and the connectors and harnesses and stuff. So we're gonna check the harnesses, we're gonna check for rodents, we're gonna check for any kind of chewing or damage. I've already seen some in the engine bay, so I'm hoping it's not too bad, and I'm hoping this car is savable because this car's got great bones. So let's give it a wash. Okay, so we have some resident guests living under the intake fuel rail and intake manifold area. So I'm going to blow this out with some compressed air, and then we're going to vacuum as we do that, so that I don't just keep recycling it all. There were some real friendly bees. They weren't very happy when I kicked them out, but I think I got them all. So yeah, positive. All right, so let's get these vacuumed. Grab an air filter. Woo! That's no good.